Hey coffee lovers, check out this 4-in-1 electric milk frother that creates perfect foam every time. It offers hot dense foam, hot airy foam, cold foam, and milk warming options for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate. The frother operates quietly and efficiently, delivering rich foam in under 2 minutes with advanced motor technology. Made from durable stainless steel with a non-stick interior, it's easy to clean and built to last. The transparent lid lets you watch the frothing process for flawless results. Safety is a priority with automatic shutoff and simple one-button operation. Plus, it's rechargeable and compact, saving space on your countertop or in your cabinet. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.